back in Missouri from Kansas.
1 mile ahead.
Shut the fuck up.
71A.
Okay, Texas here. I don't like these on ramps. Just fucking shut up.
Haiti.
So this is Arkansas during the
2
day.
miles ahead. Take exit 25 and then turn left on Arkansas 319.
I'm also going away she doesn't like, so she's not going to shut the fuck up either. This bitch took me to the wrong place, of course. Took me to that warehouse next door that is not Costco. Because, you know, that's what she does. But normally when she's wrong, she's right about 80% of the time. Normally when she's wrong, at least it's close. So it's like, I don't know, usually somewhere within a mile. And then I have to use my app on my phone. So this thing is mostly all I'd used 30 years ago. These days I use it less, but I'll sometimes use it to plan my route, see if it's better than where the computer wants me to go. What I like about it is it's always got the exits, so I know where the exits are. Really enjoy it, still use it, just not as much as I used to. Sometimes I let the computer do the whole thing. So I was in Alabama. I was supposed to go to Decatur, Alabama, and this thing's sending me up to fucking Nashville. Fuck you, Isaac. This piece of shit sent me 90 miles out of my way. This is Trucker Path app. It's pretty cool. I use it probably almost every day. I will mostly use it to plan my route and find out where I'm going to stop that night. And when the directions are wrong on the Isaac, then I could use this to type in the directions. And sometimes this is wrong too, but usually this and Isaac both aren't wrong, and I'm able to find it. There's only like twice where this was wrong and Isaac was wrong, but I was lucky and the place was close. You can't call people these days. No one ever answers the phone anywhere, so you can't get a hold of people. It's annoying. So you just I don't know, deal with computers, because you call and they just keep, you're just on some computerized message system and you can never get through to anybody. So this was really helpful. In the beginning it wasn't, but they update it and they keep making it better and better. I really recommend this app. So clearly Isaac has no idea what's going on this morning. Probably about 700 miles away, not 280. This fucking piece of shit. So this dipshit thinks I already picked up my load. I haven't even picked up my load yet. She's trying to turn me around. She made me go to the fuel stop that I'm supposed to go to after I pick up my load. But I don't think it's her fault. I think it's the fucking idiot trip planners who suddenly thought I had my load for some fucking... I don't know. They're a bunch of fucking idiots. Fuck this shit. This thing wanted me to drive on the fucking train track. It told me a street, there was only a train track. It told me Reed Street. There is no Reed Street. There was just this train track it told me to drive on. Man, God.